The forwarders have been discharged. Whereas we told you right from the inception that we can't, as a lawyer, we cannot make pronouncement that they will be exonerated at the end. We cannot preempt the court. But we knew, mere looking at their charges and all the exhibits filed along with it, we knew that they were not liable and they are not probably to be charged to get that proof against them. You can recall the other time when the men of DSS came, they exonerated them totally, that they knew nothing about the crime. That is just it.
As the judgment was delivered, it took and lasted for 2.5 hours. There were 4 counts charged of conspiracy, rape, being in possession of human parts and blood, then homicide. For the offense of conspiracy, the court found that there was no conspiracy. Conspiracy was not established as an offense against the 5 defendants. Hence, the 2nd to the 5th defendants were discharged and acquitted, since the court held that there was no piece of evidence connecting them with the offense for which they were charged. On the count of rape levied against Abraman Bello, the court held that such offense was also not proved by any means, as no piece of evidence was adduced before the court to establish the commission of the offense of rape. It wasn't in any evidence that he forcefully had the carnal knowledge of the deceased, and he was discharged of that too. Then on the count of being in possession of human parts and blood, the court held that it had an overwhelming evidence, and he was eventually convicted for that and sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with 100,000 naira fine and 6 months imprisonment in lieu of that 100,000 fine. In case he has no means to pay that 100,000, he has to serve another 6 months in the prison for that. Then lastly, for the case of homicide, the court expressed that the court was satisfied with overwhelming evidence for the commission of homicide, and Abraman was convicted, and the court pronounced his sentence to be hanged till death. That was the judgment of the court.
Since the beginning of this court case, we have been here several times for the sitting. We thank Almighty Allah for giving us a victory, justice, as we are expecting it to be done.
dáadáa nígbà tí mo wò ó pé kó jọ kó má jẹun kó lè sáré tó ṣe kí ló lè fẹ́ ṣí ìdè fún mi kò bá dẹ̀ dùn mí ká ní ọjọ́ yẹn ò ṣe mo yà sáré tó o ṣe. lórí dájú kó má dọ̀ rí ló kọ́ wa ní sẹ́ńsì òní náà ni.
wọ́n jẹ́ àparí ẹ̀ wípé ọkọ̀ rọ́kọ̀tì ẹ̀ tí wọ́n sùn mí àwọn awakọ̀tì fún mi gbóná.
Ẹ̀kọ́jú pẹ́ mọ́ ni.
Ilé ìmọ̀ ní ìmọ̀ pẹ́ o. Gbọ̀gbọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ pẹ́ àgbàgbà mọ́ ó fẹ́ o máa pa ilé tí wọ́n kí má ta ìgbà táwọn mẹ́ta ìmọ̀ fast.
Inú bàbá ọmọ yẹn á dùn.
This first phase.
First phase.
So after this one they will appeal.
Tó bá ló wà.
Wọ́n lọ ìmọ̀gbẹ́ anything capital pé kọ́ pààyàn.
So tó bá pa ilé tí ó pa ìwàlẹ̀ another wàhálà.
Ìdí ìsọ fún mi.
Interview.
Wo iṣẹ́ inú ọba promote ẹni gbé kí ní dẹ̀jà gbogbo
ó ti gbowó ni ó ti
ọmọ wa ni.
ọmọ yín wò.
Ṣé ìṣẹ́ tí ń sọ bá ṣe ti pẹ́ ẹgbẹ́ àti ìjìnlẹ̀ láti sọ àwọn sìnẹ́rò fún rẹ̀. Sí kọ́ sọ pé kọ́ lọ pa wọn. Bàbá ti dájọ́ bí náà láti dájọ́.
Ẹ ń bẹ tọkọ farò bìnrin ó wà bá kọ́.
Sí náà kọ́ la gbọ́ ọkàn. Ó jẹ́ wọn ti pa
Wọ́n ti kọ́ lọ
wọn.
pa wọn. Sọ̀rọ̀ ìdẹ̀ṣẹ́ ní ti.
àwọn wọn ti condemn ni wọn má ní ká lọ pààyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹ tí gómìnà ò bá sign they will be there for life.
Tí ẹgbẹ́ fún mi
bá wá.
tó bá tún ọ́nà ẹgbẹ́.
wọn lé dédé tí wọn lè bẹ́ẹ̀
Wọ́n lè tún wọn lé.
Wọ́n máa lo US.
pardon.
Nígbà ìtẹ̀gbí nìkan mọ́ ní. Ṣé bí nìkan ju kí n lọ síbi ẹ̀jẹ̀ tọ́lẹ̀tì?
Ó ti lọ síbi tó.